everyone, welcome back to WSQ. In our previous session, we learned how we can loop inside the dictionary elements. In our today's session, we will be discussing about some in which helps us to provide with different applications that can be performed with the dictionaries. Before that, if you want to become a successful data analyst and if you want to learn from our experts live, then you can call on the given number or you can fill the form that is provided in our description. Not just that, with our every batch, you will be getting 2 demo classes for free. So guys, here I have enlisted the 6 dictionary functions. We will be discussing about dictionary functions in the 2 parts. So in this part, I have enlisted 6 functions over here, that is clear, keys, values, items, get and copy. Let's see how these functions can be performed on a dictionary. So guys, I'm considering a case of a dictionary over here where I have a dictionary. A is equals to name John, age 23, gender male. What I need to do, if I want to clear the elements of this dictionary, all I need to do is write A dot clear, open close the bracket. Now if I print A over here, let's run and see what happens. You will see I have been provided with an empty dictionary. Let me put print over here as well, that if I print A, previously I had the whole dictionary, and as soon as I have applied the clear method to it, it has removed all the elements from the dictionary. So clear method allows us to remove all the elements, both keys and values, from a dictionary and provides us with an empty dictionary. So next we will be talking about keys over here. With the help of keys method, we can obtain all the keys from a dictionary. How it can be done? All I need to write print A dot keys and open close the parentheses. Let's run and see. So you can see over here I have been provided with a tuple which contains a list of dictionary keys over here, and all the names are here, that all the key values are here, that name, age and gender, all the key values are provided over here. Similarly, the values work over here, that for printing the values of a dictionary, all I need to write is A dot values and open close the parentheses. If I run this program, I will be provided with all the values that are there inside a dictionary. Next, we will be talking about the items. Items returns us with the keys and values in the form of a tuple inside a list. Let's see how items can be used. So all I need to do is write print A dot items and open close the bracket. If I run it, so I will be provided with a dictionary items which has a list in it, and inside the list I have been provided with the tuples over here which has name John, age 23, gender male. This is how our items method is used. Next method we have over here is get method. Get method allows us to get the value of a particular key over here. So if I write print A dot get, if I want to get a value of, let's say, age over here, so I'll be writing age inside the double quotations as it is a string. If I run it, I'll get the value 23. Similarly, instead of age, if I want a name over here, all I need to do is replace it with a name, and as soon as I run it, I get the value over here, John. Right? Next is creating a copy of a dictionary. If we already have a dictionary and we want to create a copy of it, all I need to do is create a variable called as b. B is equals to a dot copy, and if I print b over here and run it, so you will see that it will provide me with a dictionary itself, which is a copy of a dictionary A. So guys, these were some simple inbuilt dictionary functions that we have used. First was clear, which cleared all the elements inside a dictionary. Then we had keys. Keys provide us with all the keys that are there inside a dictionary. Third is values. Values provides us with all the values that are there inside the dictionary. Items provides us with a list of all the key value pairs in the form of a tuple. Next is get method. Get methods allows us to get a value of a particular key. And then we had a copy method. The copy method allows us to copy one dictionary to another dictionary. So guys, I hope that all these 6 methods are clear to you. In our next session, we will be discussing about 5 more methods that are related to the dictionary. So stay connected and I'll see you in the next session. Thank you.